What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and today we are also looking at volatility 75. This is a synthetic indices, and as you can see, I'm actually on the daily time frame. Okay, I'm starting from the daily time frame, so you can see we've actually been on an upward trend. Okay, and the market was giving us higher highs and higher lows, and then when we got here, we've actually reversed. And I'm just looking at it right now, and you can see this market is actually giving us lower lows and lower high, lower low and lower. So this could be a sign that this market is actually going to continue moving to the downside. So let's look at it from the 4-hour time frame. So now from the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are actually inside this structure, of which we broke out, as you can see here. Once we broke out here, I was actually looking for this market to come all the way to this level to complete our 90% rule. We actually broke out and even went further up to somewhere around this level over here. We did a massive retest to this place, and now we are moving to the downside. So we can actually remove this now, and then you can see we had another move here. Then we had some sort of like a flag, and we are actually very bearish. As you can see, if I draw my line like this, I can just evolve this a bit, as we've not been able to break this. So this low here becomes my next target. Okay, so let's look at it from the 1-hour time frame. This is massive. We are looking for massive sells on our volatility 75 index. Look at that. We actually broken out very strongly, and you can see there's actually a structure here. And if I bring let me take this back, and if I just bring this one over here, you can see we've actually massively broken out. Actually, the market was giving us that level over here. We can just adjust this. Yeah, so you see we had a rejection here. We were not able to break this trend line. Initially this trend line was somewhere around there, some sort of like a fake out, then came back. Look at this, it's really moving to the downside. So even if you adjust this from here all the way to that level over there, you can see that it's actually broken out. And now my next target is actually this level over here. So I'm actually looking for selling opportunities all the way to this level over there. Then what happens? Then this will be my next target. So you can actually be targeting these lows as this market moves, because remember, we have a very bigger correction over here. So look at that. This is a massive okay, let me delete this. It's not very clear. Let me take this out. So let me use this trend line and see that we had this level. I'll just clone this, and yeah, so just something to show what is going on. So we had this structure. Let's assume that this is a complete structure. So we are still looking forward to actually complete our 90% rule, which is to come in all the way to this level over here. And you can see once we got here, we actually moved to the downside. Then we had our first correction, broke out. Then we have our second correction, broken out. So this market will actually be giving these lower lows and lower highs all the way to this level over here. So I'm actually interested on selling opportunities, and definitely I'll be taking go further down to the 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, to actually be looking for selling opportunities. Look at this. I mean, this shows that this market has already broken out this level, and we are actually going down. So looking for selling opportunities all the way to this level over here, and we are talking about roughly, we're talking about 1570 pips thereabout, if you can be able to catch this move. All right guys, so we can look at quickly on step index, and you can see that we had a massive buys to the upside. This is something that I gave out to people in my VIP. I told them that step index was actually coming to, we are looking for long-term buys to the upside, and this was because of actually this structure that I gave us on the daily time frame. Look at that. We actually had an impulse move, then we had a correction, then we had a breakout, and you can see that we've come all the way to this high over here. And also this is sort of like a what, like a W pattern. Remember, the W pattern can have equal lows, or the low can be higher. This one, you can have higher lows, or I want to believe I'll say that correctly, or we can have something like this. And you can see here we actually had this type of formation. We had this, you can look at this here, then this is higher than this. You can even connect these two points over here. So you can see that we've actually already completed the move to the upside from the daily time frame, and I believe is actually also a weekly high if you look at it from the MT5. All right, and now, and also we've created this very big gap over here. So I'll be looking for selling, long-term selling opportunities on this thing to that level, actually to this level, to the downside. So I'm waiting confirmation. Doesn't mean that now you just go and enter blindly. You have to wait for your confirmation, go further down on lower time frames, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and even 1 minute. Get your confirmation right before you move this way. But I'm actually anticipating that this market should give us this kind of pattern on lower time frame to catch people, mass psychology, catch people on the wrong side, to think that it's going to continue going up before now I can actually be interested in selling opportunities. So that is what I have on step index. I'm looking for this. In fact, I'm actually looking for selling opportunities to hold this thing for the long term, all the way to this level over here, and also to this level over. These are something that you can actually swing it for a long time. And you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's taking almost 2 weeks to catch this, and you can see that this was a massive number of people. If you have gotten this, then you're talking about around 4,500 pips if you've been able to catch this move over here, actually on a lower time frame. Imagine even if you have risked around 400 to catch 4,000, that's quite a great all right guys, so that is what I have on step index. Remember to show some love, like, subscribe. You can join my Telegram group, or if you wanna know how to trade this thing, you can always hit me up. I can add you to my Discord VIP. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.